so I might have to run out. It's okay. I'll let you go. Yeah.
My eyes now, even reading it now, how this is something that I really wish that I had in high school, so I could really understand the, I guess, idiosyncrasies of the ghetto and what it was like. I think this book is great. It's really detailed. It's really violent.
Black hair never is just hair. Like, there is so much oppression deeply rooted in our hair alone.
So this book was just so beneficial to connecting me to something bigger than me. And when I talk about like being in high school and feeling weird about participating in Black History Month celebrations and like feeling weird about...
So I'm gonna put it down, but it's called Bitter Chocolate. And again, it was that whole like trying to understand her African heritage, but living in America. I was like, that's me. Like, what does it mean to be South African growing up here in Canada? Like, I'm connected.
They kind of coincide. It's Binti and Poet X.
Yes.
So Binti is pretty much like a fictional story about the main character is based off of the Himba. If you guys know the Himba tribe, they're like in like Tanzania, like Southeast Africa.